What is an expense? An expense is a cost that occurs during business operations. An expense is the amount of money that a company, organization, or any entity has to spend on something. In everyday English, expense refers to the outflow of money from somebody to pay for something. Expenses can be different things for different people. For a student, for example, tuition is an expense, while for a tenant it is the rent. Costs that are paid are expenses. Typically, the money is paid for something of value. A high expense product or service is expensive, while one that costs little is inexpensive. Expense and expenditure often have the same meaning, especially in the world of business. We use the word expense when talking about the use of money, time, or effort. Expenses as an outflow of money. Typical expenses for an airline include fuel, the wages of the crew, airport fees, renting airport space for checking in, officers, utilities, and marketing. The airline's biggest expense was buying the airplanes. Maintaining the planes, paying ground staff salaries, and training employees are also expenses. Every business has a long list of expenses, which grow as they expand. An expense report is a document employees fill in when they spend money while working. If you are abroad on business, you will spend money on taxis, meals, etc. Your employer will ask you to complete an expense report in which you list and describe what you spent. If you used your own money, your employer will reimburse you for your expenses. Some companies give their employee a business debit or credit card. Thank you for watching this brief video on expenses.